Good morning, class 7th. Again, we are another class, the online class of the same chapter, that is database and DBMS. Earlier in the previous video, I've explained you about the what are the database, what are the types of database, how we can use the database, what are the functions of database, and what is MS Access. Now, where we create the database, it is a type of database. MS Access is the package of MS Office, and it is the software where we create the database. I told you about that, and I told you how to open a MS Access in computer in Windows 8 and as well as in Windows 7. What are the different ways to open the MS Access? And I told you about the objects of database. There are 5 objects, that is table, query, form, report and macros. I told you about 5. There are 5 objects of database which are used to create a database. These are the 5 objects which helps you to create a database. Next are the data types available in database. The data types, when we are creating a table, what type of data should be there? It is a text, it is a number, or it is a date and time format, or it is a auto number, or it is a currency, or we are giving an option. These are the data types. So first is short text. Second is number. Is third is date and time. Fourth is currency. And fifth is yes or no. This is the data type. Okay. First is short text. In short text we can use the alphabets also and numbers also. Okay. In this we can use alphabet as well as number. Both the things. Okay, if you are writing any name, if you are writing the address, okay, so we can use the short text. Next is number. Here only number can be, only numbers. Only numbers can be used. Here only the numbers, where you can give the roll number or the age like this. Okay, only the numbers where you can use, this is the data type. Only the where we are using the numbers, we use the number database. Then comes the date and time, when we are giving the date or any time to the particular thing. When we are creating anybody's profile, then we have to give the date of birth also. Okay, so how we write the date of birth in any format, like 15 Jan 2021. Okay, this is the format. One more format is that. One more format, like here we write like this. Okay, this is the format. Or we can write so many formats are there to write the date. Okay, time also, hours, with the hours we are writing, or we are writing AM, PM. Okay, so in this format, like if we are writing 7.35 hours. Okay, because here we are mentioning 17. 17 means it's 5 o'clock. Okay, so 5 PM. Okay, 5:30 and 35 PM. Now when we are writing 17:35 hours, when we are writing 17:35, then we have to mention the hours. Okay, so many ways to write the time and the date. Next is the currency. Whatever currency is there, the dollar or the rupees, or this is you can say this is pound, Yen. So many currencies are there in how we are writing the currency. When we are writing the salary of anybody person, when we are creating a profile of a person, of employee of any company, then you have to mention the salary also, the bonus also, how much you are getting the salary, how much is earning in the month. So we have to mention with the currency symbol. So here you can use the currency. In this we use the data, currency data type. Okay, and next is the yes and no when we are giving any option like female, male, then whether he is already working or not, yes or no. If you are in a school, in which school, early in the school she was studying or he was studying, yes or no, like this. So these are the data types which we use to create the database. Okay, these are the formats where it helps to create the database in a data type format. Okay, because short text we are using the alphabets and numbers also. Numbers, when only the numbers are used. Okay, one thing is I think missing. Yeah, one more thing is that 6th point is auto number. Sorry, I missed out this. Auto number, when it gives automatically the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, automatically, we are not giving the numbers, it is automatically the numbers are taken out. Serial wise, when we are creating the database is a serial wise. Okay, now every time we have to give 1, then next again 2, writing 2. If when we are giving auto type, auto number, then automatically it will accept the next one is 2, the third, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, automatically it will accept the numbers. Okay. Here we are not giving, here only numbers are used. Okay, auto numbers. You can mention number, but automatically it will take the number, serials. Okay, series. So there are 6 points. There are 6 points. First is short text. Next is number. Next is date and time, currency, yes and no, and auto number. So 6 points are there to create any database, helps to create any database. Okay. Girls, one more important notice is there that maybe your copies may be submitted again. So be ready your notes, whatever notes till now I have given to you, keep ready on that. It should be complete. All the copies and books should be completed. Okay, copies, mainly the copies should be completed and neat and clean for your final exam. Okay, as I finish this chapter, I will give you the notes. Okay, and that also you should keep ready. Okay, if I finish earlier, before submitting the copy, if I give you the notes, then please study well. And girls, your half yearly performance you have seen, it's not very good. Okay, you have to work hard, very hard. And one more thing, activity will be there, and this time activity will be according to the presentation. Because you are studying the Excel, I will give you one project on Excel to create a chart. Okay, I will give you a presentation, sorry, not presentation, I will give you a data sheet, data worksheet to create a chart. First you have to create the data sheet, and then according to the sheet you have to create a chart. I will give you the process how to create. Okay, and according to that you have to create it, and then you have to submit it, and this each and every student has to do because the marks will be there. Okay, so each and every student will do this, and they will submit this. Already one email has been given to you to submit your PDF for your examination. In that email you will send this Excel work project. Okay, and each and every student will do this work, this project work they have to do. It is compulsory. Okay, and keep ready your copies, girls. Okay, so I will continue this in the next video, the practical work of this, because this was a theory, and next video which I will give you with this same only, that will be the practical, that how to create a database. Okay, so girls, please keep ready your notes and be ready for your activity. Okay, so thank you.